Alright, we've got this the 3-point linkage, and in this Kubota, and what happens is this here just gets all gummed up, and this actually it's free floating. And point of this, see that, and gets all gummed up, and it stops this from going back. So it stops the 3-point linkage from going down, and so you just got to undo these and put some inox in there, or WD-40 or whatever, and free it up a bit. To prevent that, stick it in there before it seizes up. Just a little hack. I've taken the pin out of here. I'm going to put one back in. So what I do is I've got a punch, a fine punch, and I put the roller, the roll pin on the punch, and I put it in there, and it acts as a guide, so I could whack. And of course, it's going to be a raw point. There we go. Bada boom. Easy peasy. See ya.